Host cell physiology can affect the level of expression. We have discussed different factors that can maximize the expression of the cloned gene. That started from the strength of promoters, initiation of translation, and then we focused on the stability of the messenger RNA and codon choice. Of course, the copy number of plasmid, it is also very important. And later on, we also discussed about the structural or segregative instability of the recombinant plasmids, that it can also influence the level of expression of the target gene. Another factor that is also very, very important, and it is the host physiology, and especially the conditions that we are going to use for the culturing of the host organism. कि जिस होस्ट को लाइक इकोलाई या बैसिलस सबटिलिस को हमने या कोई और यूकैरियोटिक माइक्रोब लाइक यीस्ट को हमने ट्रांसफॉर्म किया है, तो उसको हम किन कंडीशंस के अंदर ग्रो कर रहे हैं, उसको न्यूट्रिएंट की सप्लाई क्या दी है, कल्चरल कंडीशंस क्या हैं. कल्चरल कंडीशंस में ये भी आ जाता है कि न्यूट्रिएंट का लेवल क्या है, गैशियस रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है, और पीएच या टेम्परेचर हमने कितना मेंटेन किया है. सो ऑल दीज कंडीशंस लाइक द लेवल ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन, environmental factors like the maintenance of the temperature for growth, and even the pH, they can also influence the host organism growth or the rate of cell division, and at the same time directly we can say that it can also influence the level of gene expression. Initially, it was noticed that while the cloning of human growth hormone like the insulin, the high expression, it leads to the accumulation, or in other words, we can say that the accumulation of aggregation of the target protein or the growth hormone, which we can call them as the inclusion bodies. कि inclusion bodies के तौर पर इसको डिटेक्ट किया गया जब हाई एक्सप्रेशन हुआ इंसुलिन का. लाइक इसकी जो चेन ए है या चेन बी है, तो वो इनस्टेबल थी, एग्रीगेट बना दिया सेल के अंदर, दे वर नॉट फंक्शनल, दे वर डिपॉजिटेड एट द inclusion bodies. So this problem was later on tackled or overcome by different groups of scientists. Like it was suggested that if the temperature it is maintained at low level, then the proteins they will become more stable, and inclusion bodies they will not produced when cell they are showing relatively slow growth rate at low temperature. The accumulation of the inclusion bodies it can be avoided. In addition to that, some other conditions like the availability of nutrition and even the pH, it must also be taken into consideration while such problems like the inclusion body appearance if it is there. In addition to cultural conditions, some other chaperone proteins that help in the proper folding of the target protein, they can also manage the problem of inclusion bodies. For example, a chaperone protein which is called as DNAK, if it is expressed or produced simultaneously with growth hormone like the insulin, then the production of inclusion bodies it can be avoided. In addition to that, some other chaperone proteins like the GROL or GROS system, they are also equally important. Even the minor changes in amino acid sequence, like if amino acid sequence it changes from cysteine to serine, then such minor changes it can also increase the stability of the expressed protein. And the last factor that can also influence the copy number of the genes or plasmid, it is the use of minimal medium. For example, if minimal or mineral mediums, it is used where all the quantities of the media components, they are known and supplemented with different carbon sources depending upon requirement, then the copy number of the genes, it may be managed 3 to 4 times depending which type of minimal media we are using and which type of carbon sources we are using for its supplementation. So we can say that different factors in addition to the cloning, although cloning, it is also very, very important. If we have managed to insert our target gene into the plasmid so that we have a recombinant plasmid or vector and able to transform the host organism, after that, different factors will determine that whether it is going to express or not. And even if it is expressing, then another concern is that the expression is high or low. And there are different factors that we can manage to maximize the expression of the cloned gene.